Alright, good morning guys. Even if it's 12 o'clock, it's still good morning. We're going for a walk. Okay. Because Pepper and Peanut are crying for a walk. Look at them. They're so excited. Peanut. Pepper, what's that? Oh, nutmeg. Boom.
Sunk.
Huh? It's sunk.
That Japanese nutmeg is sunk.
They're gonna grow under.
Underwater.
We're going here. This is the river nearby Aldi. Pepper, no. Yeah, it's it's good. It's going to grow there. Oh. Oh no, not without the soil. So look. There's a lot of Japanese nutmeg here. Diyan sa taas ay car park ng ano. Ayun oh. Car park ng Aldi. Are we going for a walk or just here? Huh? We going or
36, 336.
I don't know if
360 on.
I don't know if I'd put it on 360 or just normal.
Somebody's cleaned up some litter that left it there.
So, it's a train. So, dyan po yung ano, Aldi Car Park. So, maglalakad muna kami. We're going for a walk before mayroon lang kami bibilhin sa Aldi. Ano lang.
You got a 360-degree camera. Got confused with me.
It's not turning around. There you go. Go. At the back there is a lot of blackberries. Is it blackberries?
Yeah, I saw some yesterday actually. Down by the river.
The back at the bottom garden,
Is that?
there's a lot.
What's that going down there?
Huh? Oh, I'm going for it. Come on. Ayan yung river. There's not a lot of water, is it?
No. That's why there's a bush back then.
Walang bus park down. Medyo malamig ngayon. Hindi naman ano malamig. There's a radish patch. Do you know that that film that I made, walking, it was 89, more than an hour. I'm doing it bit by bit. It doesn't load all at once to my phone. And then transfer. So I've got the third part now. That's the last bit. Part 3. There's a lot of they've got nice flowers though. Not fun. Not good. Pangalan din. Japanese not good. Ay! Sorry. Oh, there's a towel here.
Oh, that man I was watching his video. Yeah, he took his camper van somewhere to visit his friend,
Yeah.
and he went to a river, took his paddleboard out
Yeah.
onto the river, and he pulled over onto the beach.
Yeah.
And he said, right, I'll get my drone out now. So he got his bag out of his drone, he opened the bag, and he said, oh, flipping heck. He said, I've got my drone, but I haven't got the SD card, so I can't record anything. What kind of YouTuber am I? So we had to paddle back to where he parked his van to get the car.
So there you are. Dito na tayo sa but here is still sounds a lot of water. The short walk. Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Ganda! Ay! Ay! Yeah. Look at the river. Oh. Yan. So yan si David namumulot na naman ng basura. Picturean ko dito. Ano tayo ng short video para sa Facebook Reels. Tapos malaglag yung phone ko. Ano? And babalik na kami. Babalik na kami doon sa car park. So yan guys, babalik na po tayo doon sa car park. Nasa likod ko yung yan doon. Kita niyo ba? Balik tayo. Yan. Doon. So, yan, balik na po tayo sa car park. Ang haba ng pole. Yung ginigamit ko kasi yung 360, Insta 360 times 4 na camera. Try natin sa paglalakad. Yan. So, si Pepper at si Peanut nandun kay David. Ang daming basura. Hindi kakayanin ni David mamulot kasi nasa kanya na si Pepper at si Peanut. Ipinupulot lang niya yung maliliit. Mga crisp packet. Ayan. Yung ano. Ayan, oh. Yun. Mga hinog ng wala sa gitna. Okay. Saan ba harap na atin? Camera. So, yan yung dalawa. These two. I'll go first so that they will. I'll go first. I'll go first so that they will follow me. Ano pa yan? Ayan. So, mauuna ako kasi yung dalawa. Hindi naglalakad ng maayos pag nasa likod sila ni David. I'll take this up. Ang hangin guys, medyo malamig. Hindi na lang nag-ganto ako. So, taxiin na natin yung pool. Saan na sila? Ang bagat. Come on! So, yan, malapit na tayo sa car park. Mulot na rin tayo ng basura kasi dami ng laman ng ano ni David eh, siya ang naghahawak kay Pepper at Pina. There's a lot of rubbish here. Okay. Do you want me to pick it up? This.
Thank you. Hold on.
Marami kaming napulot na basura. Yan. So, i-end ko na po ito dahil nandito na tayo sa malapit na tayo sa car park. Okay. Bye for now!